Working with scientific visualization data and encountered a VIF image file? This is a format from a specialized scientific imaging platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and convert these Khoros visualization image files. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic VIF file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. VIF files are image files from the Khoros Visualization System, a scientific data processing and visualization software environment. They contain multidimensional image data, including single-band and multi-spectral imagery, with rich metadata supporting scientific visualization, data analysis, and image processing workflows in research environments. Khoros VIF files use a structured format with a detailed header describing data dimensions, data types, map information, and application-specific metadata, followed by the image data array. The format supports multiple data types, including byte integer float and complex number representations for scientific imaging applications. Khoros from Coral Research Inc. should be your first choice when attempting to open VIF. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows offers built-in viewing for many image types, though deeper editing relies on graphics applications. Your most effective first step, right-click the VIF file and select Open With. If Khoros is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Keep testing until the file becomes accessible. If you cannot access the VIF file, no problem. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this VIF error before we apply the universal fix. First, opening an ImageJ. Open VIF files in ImageJ or Fiji, the scientific image processing applications. Use the Bioformats plugin for broad scientific format. Support or import the raw data using file. Then import then raw, specifying the image dimensions, data type, and header offset. ImageJ displays the image with measurement and analysis tools available. Next, converting to standard formats. Use ImageJ to convert VIF images to TIFF, PNG, or other standard formats after importing. Select File, then Save As, and choose the target format. For 16-bit or float data, use TIFF format to preserve the full data range. Ensure proper scaling and contrast adjustment before saving for visual presentation purposes. Finally, using Python for processing. Load VIF image data in Python using NumPy to read the raw binary data with known header, offset, and dimensions. Visualize with matplotlib and process with sipi.endimage. For complex multidimensional VIF datasets, use the Zare library for labeled multidimensional array handling and visualization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.